2024 Toyota Yaris. Shot of the 2024 Toyota Yaris, showcasing its modern design. Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of compact cars with the all-new 2024 Toyota Yaris. This revamped model promises a fresh take on city driving. Let's explore what makes it stand out. The 2024 Yaris has undergone a significant makeover, adopting a bolder and sportier look. The sharp lines, distinctive grille, and LED lighting give it a modern and dynamic appearance. Despite its compact size, it exudes a confident presence on the road. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's both stylish and practical. The driver-oriented cockpit creates a sense of connection, while the use of high-quality materials elevates the overall feel. The infotainment system features a sized touchscreen, offering intuitive controls and smartphone connectivity. The 2024 Yaris is surprisingly fun to drive. Its responsive steering and agile handling make navigating through city traffic a breeze. The ride is comfortable, absorbing bumps with ease. While it's not a performance-oriented car, it offers a pleasant driving experience. Despite its compact exterior, the Yaris boasts a surprisingly spacious interior. The rear seats offer ample legroom, making it comfortable for passengers. Cargo space is also decent for its class, with clever storage solutions to maximize utility. Fuel efficiency is a key selling point of the Yaris. Equipped with an engine, it delivers impressive fuel economy figures, making it an economical choice for daily commuting. Safety is a top priority for Toyota, and the Yaris is no exception. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including list key safety features. These technologies help protect you and your passengers on the road. The 2024 Toyota Yaris is a well-rounded package that offers a perfect blend of style, practicality, and efficiency. Whether you're a young driver or an experienced commuter, the Yaris is worth considering. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll put the Yaris through a series of tests to see how it performs in different driving conditions. To subscribe and like the video. By following this script and incorporating your own unique style, you can create a compelling video that showcases the 2024 Toyota Yaris appeal to a wide audience.